model, 58-plate Volkswagen Caddy Maxi C20 Tdi PD 104 very long MOT ready to drive away. Body, red, panel van. Mileage, 182563. MOT, the 10th of July 2025. Engine, 1896 cc 1.9 TDI 104 bhpa. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well in all gears. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is in decent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, wind-up windows. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.